Singing in the Rain, you all know from the movie, obviously, with Gene Kelly, the famous scene where he's dancing around. It was filmed in a studio, but they made fake rain, and it's a very iconic. What you might not know is that the story of Singing in the Rain, you remember, is about 20 years before, in the 20s, when they stopped doing silent pictures and started doing talking pictures. And Gene Kelly plays a silent film star, and Gene Hagen plays this silent film star who can't make the transition because she has a horrible voice, and so they try to teach her elocution, and the woman's going, "How now, brown cow?" And Gene Hagen, "How now, brown cow?" like with this New York, Brooklyn accent. So the basic plot of the story is Debbie Reynolds is an unknown, and she has a really good voice, and they get the idea that she'll dub for Lena, and that way Lena can appear in the movie. But at the end, it all gets exposed that it's really Debbie Reynolds that's doing the voice, so she becomes a star of it. The songs they used were all by, or I think all by, Arthur Freed and Nacio Herb Brown. And they're from the 20s. This is from 1929. And I'm doing it very similar to the arrangement that Gene Kelly did with this. So it had been more fleshed out and made more grand by the 40s when they made that movie, the late 40s. But originally it was just an up tempo. You can see it in old black and white movies where they're going, "Singing in the rain, just singing in the rain." But that's not the way we remember it, because we identify it so much with Gene Kelly. And I don't even remember if the middle section that I do after I sing it through once, I don't remember if he sang it in the movie, if Gene Kelly sang it. But you're getting that part as well, and then I sing the whole chorus again. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart, and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain, and singing, just singing in the rain. Why am I smiling, and why do I sing? Why does December seem sunny as spring? Why do I get up each morning to start happy and head up with joy in my heart? Why is each new task a trifle to do? Because I am living a life full of you. Singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart, and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase